Hey friends, if you wish to watch JioCinema on Windows, then please watch this video. Now there are a lot of video and other tutorials online. Basically, JioCinema was an application that existed earlier and people are copy pasting those videos. So I want you to know that there is no JioCinema now. It has merged with Hotstar. They call it Jio Hotstar, but it is just the normal Hotstar application. Now since we don't have this application on the Microsoft Store, you can check this. So we'll have to go to the website on Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots here, and then select more tools, select apps, and select install this website as an app, and then select install. This is how you can use it as an app. And if you wish to find it once again, then you can search for Hotstar in the search bar and you'll find it here. Okay, we'll have to save this app once again. More tools, apps, and then we have to save it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.